You've discovered your unique rules for what stays and what goes in your home. You've used our techniques to jumpstart your decluttering, and now you have a big pile of things to get rid of. But at least you have a plan for what to do with them. You'll either have a junk pile that hangs around or send things to the landfill. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to click subscribe if you want regular updates on practical tips to organise your life. I'm Dr. Catherine Macy, owner of Organise to Excel. We've been helping people overcome clutter and get more organised for over 15 years. I'm here today to help you let go of your clutter. And trash is always a last resort for unwanted objects. Before you toss things in the garbage, see if your clutter falls into any of these categories. Sell. Why not? One woman made more than $30,000 selling things she no longer wanted on the minimalist journey. I don't expect you to sell everything you own, but if you're not going to use that ice cream maker anymore, sell it. Listing something on eBay or Facebook Marketplace doesn't take more than a few minutes and can get your item to someone who needs it while adding a few bucks to your bank account. Donate. The Buy Nothing Project encourages its members to give freely, whether it's tangible objects, creative works, or expertise. It has its own app or is accessible by Facebook. It's a great way to get rid of clutter in an eco-friendly way. You can also look up local charities to see if they're in need of items you don't use anymore. It's always important to let them know what you're donating before you donate. Charities don't need everything all the time, and if they're stocked up on winter coats, donating 3 more will be more of a burden than a help. Give to family and friends. When you declutter, ask yourself, do I know anyone who could use this? If you do, great. You just came up with an impromptu gift and decluttered your home. But make sure that what you give isn't something that will become clutter in the gift recipient's home. You don't want to continue the clutter cycle. Do right by the planet and put items you don't use back into circulation so they live out their useful lives. Not only does it keep your home clutter-free, it can brighten someone else's life too. What trips you up when you try to declutter? Comment below. Organise to Excel, practical solutions for everyday issues. Subscribe, get more updates on our Facebook page, follow us on Instagram and visit our website www.organisetoexcel.com.